How are currency exchange rates determined? Most currency isn't backed by any finite goods. So how are some currencies valued higher than others? Current international exchange rates are determined by a managed floating exchange rate. A managed floating exchange rate means that each currency's value is affected by the economic actions of its government or central bank. For example, let's take the US dollar, USD, and the Japanese yen, JPY. Suppose the yen becomes too weak, meaning 1 USD can suddenly buy a lot more yen. This is bad for Japan because imports become expensive, businesses suffer, citizens pay more. What the central bank does, the Bank of Japan may step in and buy yen using its reserves. Buying yen increases demand. Yen becomes stronger again. This is management. What the market does. Each day, traders, investors, and businesses buy-sell yen freely. That's the floating part. So together, save now. Free market movement plus occasional government control equal managed floating exchange rate. You understand my point. If anything is unclear, let me provide a general example for better clarity. Another easy example. Imagine a fruit market. Apple prices go up and down based on buyers and sellers. This is floating. But if the apple price gets too high or too low, the market manager steps in and says, "I'll buy some apples to raise demand," or "I'll sell more apples to increase supply." This keeps the price from getting crazy. That is managed floating in simple terms. Similarly, they can devalue other currencies to boost the status of their own by selling them to other countries. The gold standard exchange and the IMF added stability to the world market, but it didn't come without its own problems. Linking a currency to a finite material would make the markets inflexible and could potentially lead to one country's being able to economically isolate itself from trade. With a managed floating exchange rate, countries are encouraged to trade. Be early, be smart. Subscribe before the next video drops. I hope you get currency understanding. I am making videos like this for you, and I hope you will be my strength to subscribe. Thanks.